imagine that this is the plan view, the view from above, of a door, and the hinge is at this end. If you were going to open this door, the logical thing would be for you to push with a force at this end of the door, furthest from the hinge, at 90 degrees to the door. You do this naturally as you know that this opens the door most easily. You would have to push much harder if you push the door close to the hinge here. The moment measures the turning effect. Clearly, from what we've discussed, the moment is related to both the magnitude of the force and its distance from the hinge. So if we have some force F, which could be anywhere along the door, say at a distance d from the hinge, then the moment of that force is defined to be moment is equal to the magnitude of the force times the distance from the hinge if F is pushing in a direction perpendicular to the door.